crying.
Uh,
She's scared, Mama. She's away from her little family, and she
hey,
don't know what's
buddy.
going on. See her little tail between her legs? She's scared.
Okay, okay.
She's not hurting you, right?
No, she's not.
She's just scared.
That's all.
Hold on. You're pretty Kit Kat.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Yes. I know, I know, I know.
Baby Gemma. She got some on her eyebrows.